morning students. Today we are going to solve exercise 2C for 7th standard students. So first question is, see in the last exercise we discussed about multiplication. In this exercise we are going to solve division of fractions. See first question is, we have to find the reciprocal of the number. See they gave one number, for that number we have to find the reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? We have to interchange the terms. For example, what term the number which are given in the numerator will go to denominator, denominator will go to numerator. That is the reciprocal. So if it is a division, means how we will do? If two numbers are given, for example, two fractions are given. I am writing here 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 6. How we will divide this one? There is for fraction there is no division directly. We have to find out the reciprocal of this. Reciprocal of the second term. We have to find out the reciprocal of the second term. So keep that 2 by 3 as it is. So this division will become multiplication. Then we have to change the terms. So 5 will come in denominator, 6 will go to numerator. So you will get 6 by 5. Now you know how to multiply the fraction. Same way how to do the multiplication here. Like this you have to do this exercise fully. Next, this is the first question, 6 by 17. The reciprocal of 6 by 17 is, I am interchanging the term, 6 will come in denominator, 17 will go to numerator. So your answer is 17 divided by 6. 17 divided by 6. Next one is 1 by 9. So reciprocal of 1 by 9 is, see you know for all the number denominator is always 1. Simply you are writing 9 also. For that number denominator is always 1. So we can write that 1 by 9 as 9 also. But we can't able to write 1 by 9 as 9. Okay. If 9 divided by 1 means we can write that as 9. But 1 by 9 means we can't able to write that as 9. See the next one, 23. So reciprocal of 23. So nothing is given means denominator 1. Reciprocal means you have to interchange the term. So 1 will go to numerator, 23 will come in denominator. So your answer is 1 by 23. Same way for this term. Here mixed fraction is given. First you have to change that one into improper fraction. Then you have to find the reciprocal of the term. So you will get 6 by 95. So next question is divide. So one number is given as a whole number, another number given in fraction form. You know for all the whole number denominator is always 1. So first I am writing here 18 by is given. Instead of by I am going to substitute the value of I am going to substitute the term of division. So 18 divided by 3 by 5. This is the second step. So next step we have to change the reciprocal of second term, second fraction. So 18 I am write as it is. Instead of division I will change this as multiplication. So after multiplying reciprocal means multiplication of interchanging of terms. So you will get 5 by 3. Now you can cancel this one here, nothing is there, so denominator is 1. So 1 3s are 3, 6 3s are 18. So what is the remaining? 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 1 multiplied by 1 will come. Denominator 1 is means it doesn't has any value, simply I am writing. So I am writing only 6 multiplied by 5. 6 5s are 30. So our answer is 30. Next question, 33 by 6 by 5. Same way, instead of by first we have to write the division form. Next we have to change the second term. So you will get 5 by 6. Then find out any common factors are there in between the numerator of numerator and denominator. So you will get 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3. So your answer is 11 multiply 5 by 2 will come. Because we are 2, so 11 multiply 5 by 2 will come. If you multiply 11 with 5, you will get 55 divided by 2 will come. In 55, how many 2's are there? 27 2's are there. 2 2's are 4. Remaining 1. If I am writing 1, here the next number is 15. So 7, 15, 7 2's are 14. Remainder 1. So I am writing remainder here. 27 is the quotient. 2 is the divisor. So answer is 27 of 1 by 2. Next one, 4 by 28 by 9. First I am writing in division form. Next I am interchanging the second fraction, second term. This is first term, this is second term. I am interchanging the second term. I'm going to find the reciprocal of this term. So I will get 9 by 24. 1 4s are 4. 7 4s are 28. So I am writing 1 multiply 9 divided by 7. If you multiply, you will get 9 by 7. 1 7s are 7. Remainder 2. So remainder I am writing in numerator place. Quotient is 1. Divisor is 7. Next one, 20 by 3 of 1 by 3. See, in the second fraction is given in mixed fraction. So first I am going to change that one into improper fraction. So I am getting 20 instead of by, you have to write division symbol. Then if you convert this one, you will get 10 by 3. Now find the reciprocal of the second fraction. If you find the reciprocal of second term means you will get multiply of 3 by 10 will come. So 1 10s are 10. 2 10s are 20. So what is the remaining? 2 multiplied by 3. Denominator 1. So we no need to mention that one. So 2 multiplied by 3, you will get the answer as 6. Next one, 2 by 3 by 5. So same way, by instead of by you have to write division sign. Then 5, you have to interchange the term. Nothing is given means denominator 1. So if you interchange the term, reciprocal of that term means 1 will go to numerator, 5 will come in denominator. So 1 by 5 will come. There is no common factor in numerator and common in numerator and denominator. So we can directly multiply numerator with numerator and denominator by denominator. So 1 2s are 2, 3 5s are 15. So our answer is 2 by 15. Next one, 21 by 8 by 7. So 21 instead of by you have to write division. Next 7, you have to interchange this term. We have to find out the reciprocal of this term. So next step you have to change this division into multiplication. Because in this step also if you are writing division means again you have to take the reciprocal of that term. So be conscious when you are writing the second step. First step you have to change this by as division. Next step you have to change this division as multiplication and you have to write the reciprocal of the second term. So here 7, nothing is given means denominator 1. So if you find the reciprocal of 7 means you will get 1 by 7. 1 7s are 7, 3 7s are 21. So 3 multiplied by 1 divided by 8 multiplied 1 will come. 1 3s are 3, 1 8s are 8. So answer is 3 by 8. Next one, 95 divided by 44 by 4. Write first term as it is. Instead of by put division sign. 4 I am writing. Denominator is 1. If you find reciprocal of that term you will get 1 by 4. You have to change this division as multiplication. Then see, there is no common factor in numerator and denominator. So we can directly multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So 195s are 95, 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1, 70. So our answer is 95 divided by 176. We can't able to convert this one into mixed fraction. Why? Because denominator is the largest number combined to numerator. If 176 divided by 95 is coming means we can change that one into mixed fraction because denominator is the smallest number. Okay. Next one, 4 of 5 by 7 by 11. First I am changing this mixed fraction into fraction. So you will get 33 divided by 7. Change this by as division. Next step, you have to change this division as multiplication. 11, reciprocal of 11 is 1 by 11. So if you cancel this one, 1 11s are 11. 3 11s are 33. So what is the remaining? 1 3s are 3. Then 1 7s are 7. So our answer is 3 by 7. Next sum, same division. So first you have to change the second by into division. Then you have to, in the next step you have to change the division as a multiplication. And you have to find the reciprocal of second fraction. And you have to do same like previous question. See here I am writing 5 by 9 by 2 by 3. First I am writing 5 by 9. I am changing this by as division. I am writing as it is. Then 5 by 9. I am changing this division as multiplication. Then 2 by 3. Reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So there is no common factors there. 1 3s are 3. 3 3s are 9. So you will get 1 5s are 5. 3 2s are 6. So your answer is 5 by 6. Next one is 11 by 16 by 9 by 8. So first you have to write by not equal to division. Instead of by you have to do division. Then 9 by 8 I am writing as it is. Next step you have to change division as multiplication. Then 9 by 8 will become 8 by 9. There is any common factor in this term? Yes. 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16. So 11 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 9. If you multiply numerator by numerator, you will get 11. 9 2s are 18. Your answer is 11 by 18. Next one, 7 by 2 by 3 by 4. Changes by as division. Next step, change this 3 by 4 as a reciprocal of 3 by 4. Then you will get 4 by 3. If you cancel this one, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So remaining 7 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 3. So 7 2s are 14, 1 3s are 3. Why in this term I am converting this one into mixed fraction? Because denominator is the smallest number. So I can able to change this one into mixed fraction. So how many 3s in 14? 4 3s are there. 4 3s are 12. What is the remaining? 2. So I am writing remainder 2 here. 4 of 2 by 3 will come. Next term 17 divided by 18 by 3 by 7. So by division 3 by 7 I am changing as 7 by 3. Division I am changing here as multiplication. Then there is no common factor in this. So I am multiplying numerator with numerator, denominator by denominator. So 17 7s are you will get 190 divided by 18 3s are you will get 54. We can change this one into mixed fraction. If you change, you will get 2 of 11 by 54. Next one, 22 by 5 by 11 by 50. Change division. Next step, change as multiplication. Find out the reciprocal of this term and cancel it and find out the answer. Next one, 19 divided by 2 by 7 by 3. That part will be same like previous part. How I am solving the remaining previous sums and the same way you have to do here. First you have to change the by as division. Then you have to write the remaining term as it is. Then the next step you have to change the division as multiplication and you have to find the reciprocal of second term. If any common factor is there, you have to cancel that one. If there is no common factor, you have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator and you will get the answer. Next one is fourth part. Simplify. In the simplified question, 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 8 multiply 1 by 2 is given. First I am keeping this 2 by 5 as it is divided by, then first I am going to solve which are given inside the bracket. If bracket is given, we always have to solve that bracket part first. So first I am multiplying. See, there is no common factor of numerator by numerator and denominator. In numerator and denominator, so I am going to just multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 1 1s are 1 divided by 8 2s are 16 will come. So next term I am changing the division as multiplication. Then reciprocal of this term. So I will get 16 2s are 32 divided by 1 5s are 5. If you change this one into mixed fraction, you will get 6 of 2 by 5. Next one, next term 5 by 9 divided by 19 by 9 divided by 12 divided by 3. In this also first we have to solve which are given inside the bracket. So 5 by 9 I am writing as it is. Division I am changing because reciprocal of that term you have to find the reciprocal. So changing division as multiplication and I am find out the reciprocal of 19 by 9. So it will become 9 by 19. So what is the remaining term? Divided by 12 by 3. So I am writing that one as it is. So there is common factor in this. 1 9s are 9, 1 9s are 9. So here 1 will come, here 1 will come. I am directly multiplying here. What is the remaining? 5 multiplied by 1. So 1 5s are 5 divided by 1 19s are 19. So what is the remaining? Divided by 12 divided by 13. So I am writing that. Then again I am changing this division as multiplication and I am finding the reciprocal of the second term. So I will get 13 divided by 12. So there is no common factor. So I am directly multiplying numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So 5 13s are 65, 19 12s are 228. Next one, 8 by 9 divided by 24 divided by 5 multiply 2 by 3. So first we have to give reference to the term which are given inside the bracket. So I am finding change this division as multiplication, then reciprocal of the term, then I am writing as it is. Now I am going to find the common factor of this one. So what will come? 1 8s are 8, 3 8s are 24. So here 1 will come, 1 5s are 5 divided by 9 3s are 27. I am directly writing. Then what is the remaining multiply? 2 by 3. So Is there any common factor in this numerator and denominator? No. So I am multiplying numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So I am getting the answer as 10 divided by 81. So fourth one, 2 of 3 by 4 multiply 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. See, in the previous question and that we are solving the number which are given inside the bracket first, then we are solving the remaining. But see here there is no bracket. But here multiplication is given, division is given. How you will solve? Which part you will solve first? See, order of operation. This is coming in 5th standard also. Order of operation means how you add or multiply or subtract the things, how you are ordering the operations. What are the operations? But there are 4 basic operations are there in maths. That is plus, subtraction, multiplication and division. So if first condition, if addition and subtraction alone given in any order, if they are given first addition then subtraction, or they are given first subtraction or addition, means first we have to start from left side. From left side we have to solve. For example, here 7 plus 3 minus 1 is given. See here they are using plus operation and negative operation. So in this first we have to solve from left hand side. So 7 plus 3 is how much? 10. Then what is the remaining? Minus 1. So your answer is 9. Otherwise if they are given 7 minus 3 plus 1. In this also they are using only minus and plus. In this also you have to solve from left hand side. Okay. So 7 minus 3 you will get 4. 4 plus 1 you will get the answer as 5. So if only addition and subtraction given in any order means plus or minus, plus next minus or minus next plus means you have to solve from left. This is first condition. Same way second condition. If multiplication and division is given in any order, first multiplication is coming or next division is coming, or otherwise first division is coming, next multiplication is coming also, we have to do from left hand side. You have to do from left hand side. This is the first 2 condition. Next condition, if all the conditions are coming mixed together, for example addition minus subtraction and division is coming, all these things are coming all together, means you have to do according to DMAS. What is mean by D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. So if division is, see whatever number is given first, mixed number is given, you have to do first division. If division is not there, multiplication is there, means so you have to do from multiplication. You can't able to do, if multiplication is given, you can't able to do directly addition or subtraction. First you have to do multiplication. If division is coming first, means first you have to do the division, then multiplication, then you have to do addition, at last you have to do the subtraction. Okay. The next 4 condition, if any bracket is coming, means brackets with mixed term is given means you have to give the preference to first bracket terms. Okay. So first we have to solve the terms which are given inside the bracket, and then we have to solve the remaining terms using this DMAS. Using that one only I am going to solve this one. 2 of 3 by 4 multiply 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 is given. First I am going to change this as mixed fraction into fraction. So I am getting 11 by 4. I am writing all the terms remaining as it is. I told if mixed fraction is given, one multiplication, one division is given. So only multiplication, division is given. So we can solve this one from left side. So I am solving this one from left side. Okay. Multiplication, division alone given means we can solve this one from left side. So I am first doing this one. So there is no common factor between numerator and denominator. So I am multiplying numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So I am getting 1 11s are 11 divided by 4 2s are 8. What is the remaining? Divided by 1 by 4. So I am writing divided by 1 by 4. So division I am changing it as multiplication, and this term will come reciprocal. So you will get 4 by 1. So next step. There is a common factor in this. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So if you multiply directly, 1 11s are 11 divided by 1 2s are 2 Denominator smaller number, so we can change this one into mixed fraction. 5 2s are 10, so 5 quotient I am writing here. Remainder 1 in the, so I am writing 1 in numerator. So our answer is 5 of 1 by 2. Same way in fifth part, 3 by 4 multiplied 16 multiplied 2, 16 by 3 multiplied 2 of 1 by 5 divided by 7 by 9. So first we have to solve which are given inside the bracket. If you solve, you will get the answer as 176 divided by 15. Then here multiplication division is given. If multiplication division is given means we can solve this one from left hand side. So first I am going to solve this two terms. So 1 4s are 4, 4 4s are 16, remaining 1. So I am writing 1 here. The next number is 16. Again 4 4s are 16. So 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. So 1 44s are 44 divided by 1 5s are 5. What is the remaining? Divided by 7 by 9. So I am writing division of 7 by 9. Now we have to find the reciprocal of this term. If you multiply, you will get the answer. So your answer is 11 of 11 by 35. Next one, 2 by 3 of 3 by 4 divided by 4 by 5. Half means I told multiplication. So instead of half, I am writing here multiplication sign. Then I am writing asterisk remaining things. So multiplication division alone given means you have to do from left hand side. So I am taking this one. So 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 multiplied by 1 you will get 1, 1 multiplied by 2 you will get 2. Divided by 4 by 5. Find out the reciprocal. If you solve you will get 5 by 8. See the next term, this is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction in the sense this is mixed operations are there. So multiplication is there, addition is there, division is there. So first we have what we have to solve DAAS. In this division is there, yes division is there. So first we have to do the division. So I am writing first two term acceptance. So I am going to divide these two terms. Divide means how we will divide, we have to find the reciprocal of the second fraction. So reciprocal of that term is 26 divided by 7. So 1 13s are 13, 2 13s are 26. So I am writing 5 multiplied by 2 divided by 1 multiplied by 7. This term alone I am changing. All the remaining I am writing same. Here, next after, see this is also in multiplication, this is also in multiplication. So we can do multiplication first. So 5 2s are 10 divided by 5 4s are 20. Here plus sign is there, so I am writing plus. So 5 2s are 10 divided by 1 7s are 7. Here plus sign is there. See if it is plus means you have to see the denominator. If the denominators are same means we can do addition and subtraction. Okay, but here denominators are not same. So we have to find the LCM or we can cross multiply this one. So I am cross multiplying this one. 10 7s are 70, 20 10s are 200 divided by 20 7s are 140. So I am writing here. So if you add 200 plus 70 you will get 270 divided by 140 will come 0 0 get cancelled. What is the remaining? 27 by 14. In 27 only 114s are there because 2 14s are 28 but here only 27. So I am writing 114s are 14. What is the remainder? 13. So 13 I am writing in numerator, 1 quotient, denominator is 14. That's all student. In this there are still 5 questions are left. That 5 questions are homework for you. Complete and sum. Thank you students.